Hello everyone, thank you so much for watching. Today I have this half-cooked crease Arabic makeup look. So if you want to know how to recreate this look, then keep watching. The palette I'm using today is by Wet n Wild and it's the colour Icon and it's called Heart and Soul. The first shade I'm using is this neutral matte shade here, and I'm going to be applying this into the crease. Next, I'm taking this deep pink shade here and I'm also applying this into the crease as well. I'm just taking my time building up the colour and making sure it's well blended. And I'm also going to be applying the same colour in the outer part of the eyes as well. Now taking this matte dark brown colour here and applying this into the outer part of the corner as well. This will help deepen the outer part of the eye. Now I'm just going to take some concealer and start cutting the crease. So I'm just going slowly just above the natural crease line and just gliding it along halfway. Then once I've done that, I'm just going to apply the concealer to the rest of the lid. Then on top of that, I'm going to apply this shimmer colour here at the bottom and just patting this all over where we applied the concealer. And then taking that deep pink shade and I'm just going to soften the edges up. Now I'm going to start my wing liner, so I'm just going to create a straight line going across the lash line. Then another line going straight along the tape. Then another line just above it, creating a triangle shape and then just neatening everything up. This is the Collection Eye Definer eye pencil and I'm going to be lining my waterline with this. Now going in with a pencil brush and I'm taking some of that dark brown colour and smudging it in, and then on top of that I'm just going to go in with that dark pink shade just on top of the brown colour. For glitter I'm taking the Glam Crystal by Collection and I'm applying this in the crease, just on top of where the line meets the pink and then the shimmer shade on the lid. And then also taking that glitter in the corners of the eyes at the bottom. Now I'm just going to apply some lashes. And this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed watching this. All the products I've mentioned are listed below, as well as my social media. If you enjoyed this video, please give this a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more of these looks, then please subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!